The 7 Laws of Inner Peace. Inner peace. It's not about things being quiet or being completely silent. It's a state of balance, a harmony between your heart, your mind, and your soul. In a world where everything moves fast, where everyone is chasing something, finding inner peace means learning to stay calm even when things are crazy. Today, I'm going to share the 7 laws of inner peace with you. These simple truths that can change your life if you use them every day. 1. The law of acceptance. You can't control everything that happens to you, but you can choose how you react. Peace begins when you stop fighting what is. Accept what you can't change what you can, and learn to tell the difference between the two. Acceptance isn't being weak. It's a kind of wisdom. 2. The law of letting go. As long as you hold on to what hurt you, you stay stuck in the past. Letting go isn't forgetting. It's freeing your heart from extra weight. When you let go, you don't lose anything. You just make room for peace. 3. The law of inner silence. Peace isn't found in the noise of the world, but in the quiet of your heart. Learn to stop, listen to your breathing, and meditate. Silence isn't empty. It's a safe place. That's where your soul speaks to you softly, and where you hear the answers that noise keeps you from hearing.
4. The law of forgiveness. No heart can find peace if it holds on to anger. Forgiving isn't saying it's okay, it's setting yourself free from the chains of hate. Forgiveness doesn't change the past, but it changes your today and brightens your tomorrow. 5. The law of gratitude. Every day there's a reason to be thankful. Even tough times teach you something. When you start to see the good in the bad, your life changes color. Gratitude turns what you have into enough. 6. The law of simplicity. The less you try to own, the lighter you feel. The things you collect often end up weighing you down. Simplicity is choosing what truly matters. Less ego, more love, less noise, more truth. 7. The law of faith. When you don't understand anything anymore, trust in God, in life, in this bigger plan than yourself. Have faith that everything happens for a reason, even the quiet times, even the detours. Faith doesn't stop the storms, but it helps you cross the sea without sinking. Inner peace isn't a place, it's a journey. Every day you can choose to walk this path, by accepting, by forgiving, by being thankful, by believing. When your heart is at peace, the world around you can shake, but you stand tall. Because true strength is peace. Thank you for listening to this meditation. If these words touched you, subscribe to the Voice of Wisdom and share this video with someone who needs peace in their heart.